Hey, what's up guys? Trust you're all doing great. So today I want us to look at a couple of projects that could potentially reward its early adopters or participants. And without further ado, the first on my list today is Starknet.id. Starknet.id is a naming service network built on Starknet. They recently partnered with Mint Square. Mint Square is running on both Starknet and CEX Links, and it already has its mainnet and testnet, but today we're going to be focusing on the testnet. Now, for you to participate in this testnet, you're going to need the AgentX wallet. If you don't have the AgentX wallet, it is very simple to set up, and that also means you have not done anything yet on the AgentX wallet. So you need to head straight to my YouTube channel and watch these very videos. Look at this video, complete Starknet tutorial using AgentX wallet. Look at this other one, Starknet airdrop opportunity. So ensure you watch these two videos to get acquainted with the AgentX wallet. And from there, you can begin to try out other things using the AgentX wallet. So we go back to Starknet.id. First, we need to connect our AgentX wallet right here. After connecting, you're going to need the testnet token. That means you need to go to the Starknet faucet to get some testnet token. And this is the Starknet faucet where you can get your testnet token. Just enter your AgentX wallet address right here. Click I'm not a robot and then go ahead to request for the test token. It is that simple. After that, come back to this very application and then we go ahead to search for a domain name. Click on domains and it says choose your .stack domain. Now hit the search button. Here you don't really need to adjust anything. All the details are intact. Just leave it that way and click on register. Your AgentX wallet will pop up for you to approve the transaction. Another thing you need to bear in mind is that the AgentX wallet can be pretty slow. So don't think that this transaction is just going to go straight immediately. It might take a little time. You have to be patient. Now click on approve. The registration process is actually ongoing. How do I know? Click on your AgentX wallet. Here it says approve, mint and buy pending transactions. So this transaction is pending. It's going to take a while to go through before we can go to the next step. And once that happens, you're going to get a notification that your transaction has been successful. I have successfully registered my domain and it says this domain is not available. You can't register it. Okay, just for me to be sure that I successfully did that, I'll click on details. It points to this very address and this is my wallet address. And the expiration date is Sunday, September 14th, 2042. Okay, quickly we'll go to the next step. We'll click on identities. Click on this. If you don't want to go with this, you can actually add something else, but I prefer continuing with this. Click on it. You can see my domain name right here. Next, we're going to verify our social media handles. We start with Twitter. Click on the Twitter icon. Authorize Starknet.id to access your Twitter account. Click on authorize app and click on verify my Twitter. Approve it in your AgentX wallet. This is just a connection to all your accounts to show that you are the owner of these accounts. Again, it's going to take a little while for this to go through. It says patience is a virtue, especially when it comes to ETH 2.0. My Twitter is successfully verified and it says congrats, your Twitter is verified. Go back to the identity page to verify all the social media accounts. You can see that the Twitter icon has been ticked good. Next, we verify our Discord account. Again, we're going to authorize Starknet ID to access our Discord account. Click on authorize. Also click on verify my Discord. You have to approve in your AgentX wallet. Congrats, your Discord is verified. Go back again to Starknet identity and see the other ones you can also verify. Take a look. This is also ticked good. Now, the next one to verify is actually GitHub. But guys, I am not going to do that because I don't want anything to happen to my GitHub account. I don't want it to be flagged. Until Gitcoin can come to terms with other projects that wants to verify their users via the GitHub app. So for now, I am not going to take that risk. We move to the next one, which is to set our Starknet domain as the main domain. Now click on this and approve it as usual. It's also going to take a little while. Just be patient. Okay guys, we have successfully made this our main domain. You can see that my name is not showing where my address usually shows. So the next thing we're going to do is to go to Mint Square and list an NFT for sale. This is the mean square application on Starknet. Take a look here, you will see that we're on Starknet testnet. But when you click on it, you will see the Starknet mainnet is here as well, and the CEX Links testnet. That is to say that you can also interact with mean square via the CEX Links testnet. Let's go ahead and list any NFT. Click on this and move down to your profile. This is the only NFT I have right here. I'm going to list it for sale. I'll click on it, click on lists. For the first time, you need to give approval to access your NFT. This is just the same way you give access in your MetaMask when you're trying to interact with a project for the first time. So we click on unlock. Now approve it in your Agent X wallet. We wait for the transaction to go through. Always check your Agent X wallet to see that the transaction is actually processing right there. If you look below, it says your transaction is being processed. The next and final thing we're going to do right here is to enter the price or amount we want to sell this NFT. I'll be selling this for 3 ETH or ETH. Then click on lists. Again, we need to sign in our Agent X wallet. This transaction actually failed. I think this is an issue from the Agent X wallet. Let me check. Yeah, the testnet network actually has some network issues. You can see the sign right there, but I know it's going to come back live as soon as possible. So I'll be doing this later on. But for you, if your network is good, just click on list, sign it in your Agent X wallet, and that is all we need to do for this particular project. Okay, let's move to the next one, which is Infura.io. Recently, Infura has been talking about decentralization. They made this tweet on the 16th of September 2022. We are proud and excited to announce Infura's plans to launch a new decentralized infrastructure network. This could translate into creating a native token, and that can lead to airdropping this token to early adopters. And today we're going to position ourselves for any possible airdrop in the future. We move straight to the Infura.io website. You need to agree with them by clicking I understand. So click on I am all set. It says every blockchain journey begins with a single step: build, scale, and disrupt. So what we're going to do here is to sign up and also add the Infura RPC to our MetaMask. So click on sign up, create an account, enter your email address, choose a password of your choice, agree with your terms, click on the box, scroll down to agree, then click accept, after which you click on create a free account. You need to verify your account by going to your email and clicking on the link provided by them. I'll do that right away. This is the email I got. Congratulations, you have signed up for the most powerful and scalable Web3 infrastructure. Just go ahead and confirm the email address. Also select your role. I'll go for this and also go for this. And finally, I'll also go for this. Then click submit. It says create your first project. Here you're going to select Web3 API. It's already on that. Don't change it, just leave it there. But if it's not on Web3 API, you can click on this to select it right away. Enter the name of your project, whatever you want to call it. It is actually up to you. This is the name I prefer. I'll click on submit. What we're going to do here is to add a new Ethereum RPC. This is also the Ethereum mainnet. We simply copy out this URL, click on this, and now head straight to your MetaMask wallet. Click at the top right here and scroll down. You will see add network. Click on it. The URL we copied, we are going to paste it right here. Enter the name of your network, which is Ethereum mainnet. We also need to get the chain ID, the currency symbol. We go to chainlist.org to get these other details. This is the chain ID, which is 1. The currency is ETH. Go back and then add it up. 1. Currency ETH. You don't actually need to add the block explorer. Just go ahead and click on save. And that is it. Ethereum mainnet was successfully added. So if you check your account, you're going to see that you now have 2 Ethereum mainnet. It is fine. Your transactions are going to be reflecting on both. So if eventually Infura gets to do something later in the future, we are likely to be eligible for any airdrop. Okay, we'll move to the next one, which is Numbers Protocol. Numbers Protocol is a decentralized photo network for Web3, and recently they announced their testnet for Numbers blockchain. This is going to be running on the Avalanche network or blockchain. Numbers Protocol has also explained how anyone can be involved. We want to involve our active Numbers community to participate in testnet Snow. At the moment, there are not yet many activities since the migration of ecosystem applications is not yet completed. You can start by using the testnet faucet and provide us with some feedback on this innovative approach. Okay, I am going to show you how to do that exactly. But before we go in, let me show you the timeline for this project as well. Numbers blockchain testnet snow launch has already started. That was on the 16th of September. The next thing we are looking forward to is the white paper update. This is going to be happening on the 3rd week of October 2022. And the next one is the mainnet. This will happen on the 4th week of October 2022. In November 2022, the smart contract will launch. Then finally, on December 2022, ecosystem application migration. Now, this is likely to be very rewarding. All we have to do right now is to enter the numbers RPC in our MetaMask and request for the numbers token from the Avalanche faucet, and that will be all. We wait and see what happens next. So let's go ahead and do just that. Here is how to add the numbers testnet to your MetaMask wallet. Scroll down, you will see the RPC details. I'm going to leave this link in the description. You just copy these RPC details and add it up to your MetaMask. I'll do that right away. Click on your MetaMask, then click on this and click on add network. Enter the name of the network, which is numbers snow. Get the URL, go back to this very link, copy this, come back here to add it up, paste it. Next, we get the chain ID, copy it from here, go back again and add it up. Also get the currency symbol. We already know that we can easily type it in. Let's just copy the block explorer, then go back to this place, type in the currency symbol, which is this, and then enter the explorer. Everything actually looks good. Go ahead and hit the save button, and that is it. We have successfully added the numbers network to our MetaMask. Now if you look here, you will see that I already have 2 numbers. That is because I've done this before and I've requested for the test token. I was just redoing it to show you exactly how it works. How do you get the numbers testnet token? First of all, you need to copy out your wallet address and go to the Avalanche faucet network. Enter your wallet address right here and click on request to AVAX. After that, you check your MetaMask wallet. You're going to see that you have received 2 numbers token. And this is all you have to do right now. We simply wait for further instructions. That is it on this one, guys. I trust you got value from this video and you like the video. So go ahead and smash the like button. Share this video on every social media platform out there, and also leave your beautiful comments as always. I will definitely see you in my next one. And don't forget, we are going to make it. Bye.